Good morning, lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're visiting my page, then hi, welcome. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make my African Black Soap Shampoo. I've been using this homemade shampoo for a while now, and I find that it really helps with keeping my hair moisturized. Sometimes with the shop bought shampoos, it can strip your hair of its natural oils, but with this shampoo, it does give it a nice clean and just keep your hair feeling nice and soft. So there's lots of different videos and lots of different ways people make their African Black Soap Shampoo, but as I always say, it's best if you experiment yourself and then you can put your own ingredients into it and work out what works best for your hair. So today I'll just be showing you how I make my one. So our first and most important ingredient is, of course, the African Black Soap. So this comes in many different shapes and sizes, but the one I like to use is the one freshly imported from Nigeria, as opposed to the ones that comes in a little packets. I bought mine from a shop in Forest Gate. It's a black owned business, so I like to go and support my people. So this is the real deal, the real stuff, the real African Black Soap that I use for my hair, because my hair only deserves the best, you know what I mean? All right, the next ingredient is amla oil. It's meant to be really high in vitamin C, and it's meant to help with scalp circulation and improve the condition of your scalp. It also is supposed to slow down the process of graying and promote hair growth. The next ingredient is sweet almond oil. Sweet! Sweet! It has vitamins B1 and B6, which are good for promoting hair growth. And it helps your hair to keep nice, soft and shiny by locking in that moisture and by smoothing down those hair cuticles. Next up, we have peppermint oil, which has anti-inflammatory properties, which is good for treating scalp conditions. It's also a vasodilator, so it helps blood to get to your scalp, which should initially promote hair growth. Avocado oil, which is packed with lots of minerals, vitamin E, and also has biotin, so it helps with hair growth and keeps your hair soft. Clove oil, which also improves circulation to your scalp. And I also use castor oil, which helps to moisturize your hair. So firstly, you want to open up your black soap, and then in a bowl you want to grate a good amount. And then add some warm water and then pop it in the bowl, and then you want to mix it till it is all dissolved. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the sweet almond oil, followed by 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, 1 tablespoon of the castor oil, and the same with the amla oil. Then add a few drops of your peppermint oil, followed by your clove oil. And then once you've done that, mix it all up. Once it's all cooled down, then you want to put it into your containers or your jars or whatever you're using. And there you have it, your African Black Soap Shampoo, quick, simple and easy to make. Just to show you guys that it actually does work, here's a little clip of me using it in my hair. So as you can see, it does lather up quite nicely, and it gives your hair a nice cleanse and nice good feel. Try it out, guys, or let me know if you try it out with your own variations on it and what works for you. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you stay notified when I upload again. I'll be uploading more natural videos, getting back to what I really love. So stay tuned. Take care, God bless, and bye guys.